Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech. In this video, I'm going to talk about the recent update which I have received in the Realme X device. So before starting the video, friends, do subscribe to my channel Sai Tech Guru, and also do check the recently which I uploaded the video on the Realme X phone. So after using for 1 year, so definitely check the links in description, friends, for the playlist of Realme X. So even you can find plenty of playlists with the PUBG pattern test and other videos. So links in the description. So try to check the links below. So let me go to the software update here. So as you can see right now, the new version has been detected, and let me quickly go through the features, what it got added, and what it mentioned clearly. So as you can see, friends, the first optimization you can find here, the transparency of the slight back gesture style. So that one thing I'll be checking once update my mobile phone. And next, one of the bug which got fixed, which is a black screen issue while switching between themes. So I did not face this kind of issue. Maybe a few of the users got faced. And next, you can see, friends, it's the first time I'm seeing in the update description which they mention. So if you try to read here, so let me try to take the screenshot and let me try to zoom in here so you can understand clearly. As you can see, friends, right now I did the screenshot of this image. So let me try to select the auto rotate. So the reason why I specifically took the screenshot and why I'm doing this kind of effort in making you give this idea, because so in the prompt there's a message: after the upgrade of the mobile phone, some installed application on the mobile phone need to be adopted and optimized in the background. So after the update, friends, few of the applications which will definitely need to update according to the software update from the Realme. So that's why that was mentioned in the first sentence. And next is the albums and mobile phone files will also be intelligently organized and scanned again. So maybe they are organized in terms of file type or date or clearing cache, or different things will be processed. And to avoid the potential safety hazards, this optimization action will cause some additional power consumption in the background. As you can see, friends, finally the Realme has clearly admitted here the power consumption will be there in the background. So definitely from the beginning of the Realme UI update, there's a power issues like battery backup drain issues happening from the background. And with this update, clearly the Realme mentioned that power consumption will be happening in the background and will be assured it will be recovered on its own within 2 to 3 days. But I'll be definitely giving the update after 2 to 3 days after updating right now. So this kind of information, clearly the Realme has mentioned that the power consumption will be there. So before updating, just take a look at the, just it's better to read every time the features, what it got added and what are the bugs it got fixed. So definitely, friends, I'll be updating the mobile and I'll be using the Realme X phone maybe next 1 day or 2 days, and I'll be coming up with the battery usage as well. So will it got affected or not? And for more videos, don't forget to check the links in description for the playlist. So see you in the next video. Until then, bye.